The dates for holding the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test MTET Examination for teachers will be announced within the next 10 days. This was disclosed by Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui. Speaking to the media, Rumbui informed that those who have passed the MTET examination will not have to do the examination again, as the state government is recognizing the MTET certificate as lifetime. The teachers with MTET can apply anytime for the post of teachers whenever the District School Education Office conducts the written and interviews for such teaching posts.
The MTET exam, in fact, we have already published the itinerary for the exam, but due to COVID, we have postponed it. So now, with the opening up of this, all the office, this and that, so in maybe next week, in 10 days, then the new notification will come to fix the date. And one more important thing which I want to tell is that before, the maximum validity of those who have already passed their exam is from 3 to 7 years. But recent notification from the NCTE, they have given that the MTET qualification will be valid for lifetime. So this also notification from the government of Meghalaya will be come up this week, so that the students who have already passed their MTET, they didn't have to do it again. So it is valid for lifetime. Those they have to apply again whenever there is a vacancy. The SDSEO will again call the application. They have to apply again. So based on that, they will see. But as I said, they didn't have to appear again, because the MTET certificate which they have already got, they have written is valid for 2 years or 3 years. I don't remember exactly, but it is valid for life.